Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of the Sony Ult Wear Headphones, Sony's latest entry into their extra bass lineup. These headphones promise improved sound quality and noise-canceling performance, so let's see how they stack up. Starting with the design, the Ult Wear headphones have a sleek, modern look. They feature a slimmer headband compared to their predecessor, the WHXB910N. And come in 3 color options: white, black, and forest gray. The ear cups are well padded and comfortable, making them suitable for extended listening sessions. Moving on to features, these headphones pack quite a punch. They include new 40mm drivers for deeper bass, upgraded microphones with wind noise reduction, and Sony's V1 chip for enhanced noise-canceling performance. They also support multiple Bluetooth codecs including SBC, AAC, and LDAC, with future support for LC3 and LA audio. Now, let's talk about sound quality. The Ult Wear headphones are geared towards bass enthusiasts. They deliver powerful, dynamic sound with a focus on deep bass. The 40mm drivers do a commendable job, providing an immersive experience especially for genres like hip-hop and electronic music. However, for purists looking for a more balanced sound, these might lean a bit too heavily on the low end. In terms of noise cancelling, Sony has stepped up their game. The Ult Wear headphones effectively reduce ambient noise, though they're not quite on par with Sony's flagship WH-1000XM5 model. Battery life is another strong point, offering up to 30 hours with noise cancelling activated, and quick charge capabilities that provide 90 minutes of playback with just a 3-minute charge. User experience is seamless with intuitive touch controls on the ear cups. Swiping gestures allow for easy track navigation and volume adjustment. The quick attention feature is handy. Simply cover the right ear cup to lower volume and activate ambient sound mode. They also feature an auto-pause play function when you take them off or put them back on. Wrapping up, the Sony Ult Wear headphones are a solid choice in the mid-range segment. Priced competitively, they offer significant upgrades over their predecessor with improved sound quality, effective noise cancelling, and a comfortable design, while they excel in bass-heavy genres. Audiophiles seeking balance might want to explore other options like the Sennheiser Accentum Plus or JBL Live 770NC. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.